Login failed on Yolt Save Fix. You open Yolt to check your spending, but instead of your financial dashboard, you see login failed. It's frustrating, but the good news is that it's usually easy to fix. Let's go through the steps that actually work. Start by checking your internet connection. Yolt relies on secure, encrypted communication with multiple financial institutions, so even a brief network interruption can block login attempts. Try toggling between Wi-Fi and mobile data or reconnecting to a stronger network. Next, make sure your app is updated. Yolt frequently releases updates to stay compliant with banking regulations and security standards. Using an outdated version can easily cause login errors. Head to your App Store, tap Update, and relaunch Yolt. If the issue continues, check your credentials carefully. Make sure your email and password are correct, and avoid autofill text that might contain old data. If in doubt, use Forgot Password to reset your login. Another trick that works for many users is clearing your app cache. On your device, go to Settings, find Yolt, and select Clear Cache or Clear Data. This removes temporary files that might be causing login conflicts. Then reopen the app and try again. Also, if you're using a VPN or connecting from abroad, turn it off temporarily. Yolt's security system might block logins from unrecognized or masked IP addresses. Lastly, keep in mind that sometimes it's not you, it's Yolt. If the servers are undergoing maintenance or experiencing an outage, logins may fail temporarily. Waiting 15 to 30 minutes before retrying often solves the issue automatically. So, if you can't log into Yolt, don't panic. Check your network, update the app, clear the cache, and confirm your credentials. Within a few minutes, you'll likely be back inside, tracking your money and planning your next savings goal.